All right, your last task that you can choose from is another short story. Still about high school because that's prevalent on our brains and yours right now. So I want you to imagine the weirdest first day of high school. Like, you guys have seen movies, you've read books. What are some things that could potentially make you have that could happen that could be the weirdest first day of high school? What are your classes like? What's for lunch? Write a story describing your day. So maybe, kind of like Sky High, you ended up um, at a high school for superheroes. Okay. And again, I spelled superheroes wrong. Okay. Maybe you ended up at a high school for superheroes. Are you taking quote unquote normal classes? English, math, science, etc. Okay. Or are your classes not normal? Maybe you're taking how to maybe you're taking Fortnite dancing. Done. Maybe you're taking mime class, how to be a mime. Maybe you're, instead of English class, you're taking lip reading. Okay. Maybe your teachers, maybe it's all virtual. Is it virtual high school, as in like virtual reality? Okay. So maybe you're not actually there and you just have these glasses or something you have to put on. So what are your classes like? What's for lunch? Is it are you having, lunch is a 5-course meal, maybe lunch is the freeze dried astronaut food. Okay. Kind of going backwards, maybe you walk in the doors and your school is in space. You walk in the doors and you're in a rocket and they take you up to your first period class on the moon. Or you can make it a little bit more realistic and you can think of a weird situation that could actually happen. Maybe you have a teacher who is obsessed with giraffes more so than Mrs. Gore. Maybe that some sort of love story, love triangle happening. Different things. So think about, kind of pull from your experiences of school and those first days that you've had about 8 or 9 of them if you count preschool and kindergarten. So maybe you had something weird happen on a first day of school in like 3rd grade that you remember. Take it and put it into high school. How would that happen? Maybe you somehow turn into a 3rd grader while you're in high school when you walk through those doors. So there's a lot of things that can happen. Be descriptive. Okay. Again, this needs to be a minimum of 1 page. Typed or handwritten, doesn't matter. I don't want to see it in this giant 30-point font like I have here. Okay, try and keep it no bigger than this font here, this 14 font, ideally 12, but I'll be okay with 14. As always, any questions on these tasks, email your teachers. We're on Google Classroom. Please, please, please let us know.